Case study of Ashok Leyland. Ashok Leyland in 5 minutes it was trading around 249 till 55 pm. So the trend was negative. So what I did, I had took a put here. So why I have selected put 245 strike price, I will show. Because in top significant short build up there was a Ashok Leyland here. Ashok Leyland. So see, OI is 6.92 and price is minus 3.21. So I know there is a huge short build up creating at Ashok Leyland. So that's why to scalp that I have entered one lot I have taken. Okay, let's go to orders. August 245 put 5000, one lot is 5000, quantity is 4.65. okay, so I was waiting to get my price because I was scalping. Okay, my price was 4.85. so here I took the put but against me, but I was still patiently waiting. Then I got my price. Now I got my price at 125. How much I made? 1000 rupees I have made. Okay, ignore this. This is cash. I was doing some experiment in this.